Assalamualaikum and good morning. It's biology for class 10 and our topic is going on our environment. Today I am going to explain you about ozone layer. Students, it's a very common name you are listening, ozone depletion. So what is ozone and what is the ozone layer depletion and how it is affecting our environment? Now ozone is a gas which is formed by the three atoms of oxygen, and it is very as oxygen is essential for all the aerobic forms of life. If oxygen is not present, what would happen? The organisms which require the oxygen for their respiration, where they will die. And this ozone is formed by the oxygen only, but it contains the three molecules of oxygen, and opposite to oxygen it is a deadly poisonous gas. But then why it is required? At higher level, it is not present at the lower level. At higher level it is essential as it protects us from the harmful rays which are coming from the sun. You can see here. From the sun, the rays are coming to us, and these rays contains the ultraviolet rays. These ultraviolet rays at the higher level, means outer surface of atmosphere, they break down the oxygen. Oxygen molecules contains two atoms of oxygen. So ultraviolet break down the oxygen and convert them into the atomic oxygen. And this atomic oxygen combine with oxygen and form ozone. Ozone is not present at the lower surface of the earth. It is present at the outer atmosphere. So it is not harmful to us. As I told you previous, it is a poisonous gas. Then what is the importance of this ozone? What are the advantages? Why we require the ozone? As ultraviolet rays are coming from the sun, if they will enter in the atmosphere and they will reach to the ground, what would happen? They can destroy the plants. Ultraviolet can cause many diseases in the plants and animals. As well as ultraviolet rays causes the skin diseases. It can cause the skin cancer also. Combinedly, I just want to say you that the ozone prevents from the harmful rays coming from the sun. Which are the harmful rays? That is ultraviolet. So if ozone is not present, then what would happen? These ultraviolet rays will directly come to us and they will affect us. They will affect the life, means plants or animals. So they prevent us from the harmful rays of the sun. Then you are listening that now the ozone is depleting. Depleting means the layer of the ozone is becoming thin. What are the causes that the ozone is depleting? It is there are different causes. One very common cause I can say you that at our home we are using the refrigerator, then we are using the deo spray, then there are the different activities you can see. This refrigerator, AC or the deo, they contain a harmful substance, that is CFCs. CFCs means chlorofluorocarbon, and this chlorofluorocarbon, it contains the chlorine. It is reaching to the outer atmosphere and it break down the ozone. Then this ozone, when this combined, means the chlorine combined with the ozone, one molecule of oxygen, and then what would happen? The ozone will again break down into oxygen and atomic oxygen and molecular oxygen. So what would happen? From that particular area, Where the CFC's percentage is more, the oxygen will be more and ozone will deplete it. And in this way, the depletion of ozone take place. What would happen if the ozone layer is depleted? If the ozone layer is depleted, the harmful rays will directly come to the Earth's surface. And as I told you, what would happen if the ozone layer directly come to the Earth's surface? They can destroy the plants. They can destroy the life. Life means in the plants and animal. They cause the several diseases. They cause the skin diseases. Understood, student? So, to see all this, to understand when the biologists understand or about the importance of ozone, they started thinking, they started taking the preventive measure to prevent the ozone depletion. And in this way, in 1987, all the United Nations combined, they discuss on it and they make a program, United Nations Environment Program, UNEP. In 1987, this program started. And in this program, all the countries combinedly decided that they will reduce the use of CFCs. They start making the new type of refrigerator where the CFC's percentage is less. And in this way, what happened? If that not happen in 1987, maybe there are more big patches can be there in the ozone layer. But after taking a correct step, now what happened? The ozone layer depletion is reducing. Okay, and if we are taking care of our environment in this way, all combinedly, maybe we will protect our environment. So, student, today I taught you the topic ozone layer, the cause, why it is important, what are the causes of ozone layer depletion, and why it is necessary. Okay, student. Thank you. Have a nice day.